Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Wealth Academy. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD. If you're new to the channel, a huge welcome to you. You've come to the right place. You're not going to be out there like the average Joe, struggling, uncertain, wondering where on earth our next move is. Everything that I show you on this channel is straight up data. So if that's the type of content that you want to see on your YouTube feed, consider hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, and turning on your notifications. So speaking of data, where should be our next move? What should you be looking for? Let's find out. So right here, I have drawn our major support resistance line. This one right here, the one in yellow, and then I'm gonna go ahead, draw our support line with the color red, just like that. And you can see how these triangle formations are all over the trend, right? They're just happening all over. So now the question is, there's two scenarios that might play out. First scenario is we go for that rally, which is happening right now. We go for a small retracement and then we continue to the upside. So that's scenario one. Let's put this in. Let's choose blue. So that's our first scenario. We go for a small rejection and up we go towards that 400, 500 range, make that money. And then our second scenario is we go up, just like what happened over here. We come down for a major retracement. I don't want to say major, it's a small retracement to the 0.618, which is a common retracement as we know. And then we go for that $500 range or 300, whatever it might be. So let's put that in. Let's make it bigger. Okay, yeah, just like that. I hope you guys can see the lines. I'm pretty sure you can. And second scenario, we do our thing. We come down for that 0.618. I'll show you where exactly. And then we do our major pump to 300, 400, $500, okay? So these are the two scenarios. So the major level that we should be watching right now is this major resistance line, whether we can break above or not. Because once we break above, if we can break above this major resistance line, that means we're doing this scenario one. As soon as we break above, that's it. It's go time. Okay. However, if we get rejected, down we go for that 0.618. Let's find out exactly where. I'm going to go ahead, pull out our Fibonacci tool, get that 0.618, bingo, just like that, at around 185. And how do I get that 0.618? Just like what happened over here, we triggered that 0.618 right over here. As you can see, 0.618, same thing, okay? So same data, same bullshit, repeating over and over and over again. If you've been here in the channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So 0.618, we trigger this and up we go. So for us, if you've been in this market, or if you've been watching my videos, I should say, you know what we've been doing. This whole dump here, we bought, we sold at the top, we made some nice gains, and then we sold up here, and then we've been accumulating throughout this dump. We've been accumulating. So if we get this next dump, you know the drill. We buy. Because what do we know from these market cycles, from the pumps and dumps? It's all, don't let the emotions get in the way, okay? That's one big mistake a lot of new investors do is they go based on their emotions. Just like what happened over here, okay? Let me show you an example. During this phase right here that we had, everyone was bullish, and I mean bullish, like people longing, leverage longing, and then guess what? We went on this nice correction to the downside. Everyone flipped bearish. They're becoming angry, thinking that we're heading towards $80, $50, and so on. And then we went on a rally. People calling for 300, 500, 100, 5,000, God knows what. Okay, and you can see how this market, everyone on Twitter, that's all I seen. Twitter, crypto Twitter, trading view is everyone trading based on emotions. Okay, so that's one thing I don't want you guys doing is doing that mistake, trading based on emotions and hope and so on. Okay, So right here, everyone feeling fearful. What were we doing? In this channel, we did our job, accumulate, accumulate, and accumulate. Now we're in the green. We went on a nice rally. People are pumping our bags, making us some money. So if we get that final dump, don't get shaken out, because there's going to be people 100% calling for 130, 115, $100, God knows what, okay? And how are they coming up with these numbers? I have no idea. It makes no sense. But if we do go for that dump, that's basically the same rhythm, same emotions repeating over and over and over again. And if you've been in this channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So don't get shaken out if we do get that dump, because hey, you know the drill. We buy. And if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. You buy as well. So once we get that dump up, we go for that nice 300 range, and you're looking at about, let's find out. So you're looking, give or take, from these levels, okay? If you've been accumulating every single video that we made, you'll be up around 70%. Holy, I'll take that anytime. So average, we're in at around 184. We're up around 16, 15%, not bad. Long term, you're looking at about 70% return, and so on, okay? If this video helped you guys, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and of course, hit that like button. It helps this channel grow. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you all in the next video.